If you are using Spring Tool Suite to create a Spring Boot project with some Java latest version, like in my case I am using Java version 21, and if your POM file is showing red with error like cannot find the declaration of element project for this project tag which is inside pom.xml file, and below that if it is showing downloading external resources is disabled, then I will show you how you can fix this. Now for this project tag we have different URL starting with HTTP, so you need to simply replace this HTTP protocol with the HTTPS so that it will securely connect with the server. And once you do that and save it, you can see there is no more red for pom.xml file and the issue is resolved. Now let us check by running it. Like we can run our application as a Spring Boot app, and we can see it has started successfully. Okay, so this has worked for me and hope it will work for you as well. Thank you so much for watching this.